Third exercise of arithmetic progression. In that second main, find the sums given below. Yes, they have given AP 7, 10 and a half, 14 and last term is 84. So we need to find out sum. To find out sums, we need how many terms? Sum of how many terms? Yes, we don't know how many terms are there. That is, we don't know number of terms here. We need to find out this one. A is 7 and here common difference is A2 minus A1. A2 is 10 and half minus 7. It is equals to 3 and half. That is equals to 2 3 just 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. And 84 is a last term. Yes, we need to find out n. Yes, we use the formula an. An is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, an here 84 equals to a is 7 plus of n. We need to find out this one. D is the common difference 7 by 2. Yes, here 84 minus 7 equals to n by 2 1 minus 7 by 2. Yes, on subtracting 84 minus 7 is equals to 77 equals to 7 by 2. Here it becomes 2 by 7. n minus 1. 1 ja 11 ja 11 2 ja 22 equals to n minus 1. Yes, here it is equals to 22 plus 1 equals to n. So n here number of terms are 23. So we have number of terms. Then we need to find out the sum. The sum is nothing but s. Sn is equals to, here I use the formula n by 2 into bracket of a plus last term. Yes, here yes we know yes n we have 23 by 2. Yes, a here a, that is first term and last term. Okay, the first term a is 7 plus of l, last term is 84. Yes, then it is equals to 23 divided by 2. 84 plus 7 is 91. Okay, this is equals to 23 91 ja 2093 divided by 2. This is the sum. Second question. Here the first term is 34 and common difference d is a2 minus a1. Yes, a2 is 32 minus 34. This is equals to minus 2. Then the last term an is 10. Yes, in here n is, to find out this value we need to use the formula an is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, here an, the last term is 10 equals to a is 34 plus of n minus 1. Yes, d is minus 2. Okay, so here 10 minus 34 equals to n minus 1 into minus 2 becomes divided by minus 2. Okay, this is 10 minus 24 equals to minus 24 divided by minus 2 equals to n minus 1. Okay, so here this is 2 1 ja 2 12 ja. So minus minus get cancelled. Then n minus 1 is equals to 12. Okay, n is equals to 12 plus 1 equals to n is 13. We have number of terms 13. Yes, we need to find out the sum. To find out sum, I use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of a plus of last term. N is, number of terms are 13. Yes, 13 is equals to n is 13 by 2. The a is first term, that is first term is 34 plus of l is last term, that is it is 10. Okay, then on adding all these 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 is 44. So this is 2 1 ja 2 22 ja. So 22 13 ja is 286. This is the sum of the 13 term of the given AP. In third question, here a is minus 5, common difference is a2 minus a1 is minus 8 minus of minus a1 is minus 5. This is equals to minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Yes, last term an is minus 230. Yes, here we need to find out the value of n. Okay, here n is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, an is minus 230 equals to a first term is minus 5 plus or minus n minus 1 into d is, the d is minus 3. Okay, now here minus 230 equals to minus 5 plus or minus n minus 1 into minus 3. Yes, here this is into minus 230 minus 5 becomes plus 5 equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. This is minus and plus, we have to subtract here. 230 minus 5 is 225. So this is greater one, so sign is negative. So n minus 1, here minus 225, so this is minus 3, it becomes divided by 3. Yes, here this is 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja 21, we remain with 1, 7, 3 ja. 3 5 ja 15. This is a 5 ja. 3 5 ja 15. Yes, here we have n minus 1 equals to, so minus minus get cancelled, we have 75. So n equals to 75 minus becomes plus 1 equals to 76. So here number of terms are 76. Then we need to find out Sn. That is Sn is, so we know formula, we need to take last term here, that is n by 2 into bracket of a plus of l. Yes, number of terms are 76 is equals to 76 divided by 2 equals to into a plus l. Yes, a here minus 5 plus l is minus 230. So here a is minus 5 and last term is minus 230. Yes, minus 230. So S76 is equals to 1 ja, this is equals to 38 ja, 38. So this is minus 5 plus into minus 230. So it is equals to 38 into minus minus, so we need to add this, that is equals to minus 235. So on multiplying these two, we will get S76 is equals to minus 8930. This is the sum of the 76 term of the given EP.